We'll guide you through how to find Printful prices in just a few simple steps. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Printful website and log into your account by clicking the Log In button at the top right corner. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Products page found in the main menu. Here you'll see a wide range of product categories like clothing, accessories, and home decor. Click on the category that interests you. For instance, if you're looking for t-shirts, click on the clothing category and then select T-shirts. This will take you to a page displaying all available t-shirt options. Click on a specific t-shirt to view more details. On the product page, you'll see the base price listed right below the product image. This is the cost you need to pay Printful for the item before any additional charges like shipping or customization fees. For a comprehensive view of pricing, click on the VIEW Pricing Details link, which will show you a breakdown of prices for different variations and sizes. If you need to calculate shipping costs, click on the Shipping tab to see the rates based on your location. You can also use the Printful Calculator feature found in the Tools section of the website to estimate profits by entering your desired retail price. This tool is super handy if you're planning to sell the products and want to know your margins. Remember, prices may vary depending on the currency settings in your account, so ensure you're checking in the correct currency. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.